So good morning to all those who are present here. As you can see on the blackboard, topic is written, map is here, and definitely today onward we are going to start with a revision because our syllabus is complete. Either it's of economics or it's of geography. All chapters, that is physical features of India, India size and location, climate, and vegetation and wildlife, all that will come, geography. So today basically we'll start with the map work. All of you should have maps with you. If you don't have, kindly draw it. You can see a map on the blackboard. So you can copy down the map, the boundary. Otherwise I think and I believe all of you know how to make a map. Because you're not doing map for the first time since the third and fourth. You people, I guess, are habitual to make map. Hai na? So first thing, now here I'll ask questions from you regarding the map work. Volume is quite high. So from this first chapter, we'll start with the map work. I'll draw something and you have to find out the answer. What I'm doing, which area, what peak, what river, what this, that I'm making on a map. You have to raise your hand and then you have to answer me. Is this point clear? All of you, I request to all of you, kindly participate in this map work because otherwise making map online is a bit difficult because here so we can call the student and to draw it on the blackboard, though right now this facility is not with you and we can say, or I can say people are lucky, you don't have to draw it here. But yes, I'll draw map, I'll draw certain features and you have to find out. Got it? All of you ready online? Online? All of you ready? Some feedback I need. Just 35
Yes,
students are
ma'am.
here. I'm waiting for more child to come enter. Yes, let's start. You have to raise your hand, online as well as offline. You have to raise your hand, what I am making, and you have to tell me. Okay, ji? So still students are coming. They should come. It's 9:05 now, so I can't wait for more children. So first is, look at this, what it is. Raise your hand and let me know. I made one line and I've written nothing here. Only one child is raising their hand, that is Prabgun. I'm not going to ask from Prabgun. Rest of you, number of others, 39, 40 students are here. Coming to Kanishka of 9th B. Kanishka. Kanishka of 9th B. Otherwise, those who won't respond, you would be considered as an absent student. Kanishka, no answer? Note down the name, Kanishka. Yashit Verma. Yes, bache. What it is? Yashit.
Ma'am, 97 degree 25 minutes east.
What?
Longitude.
97 degree. That's appropriate answer. 97 degree 25 minute east. Line of longitude. And if I'm asking, say my question is, what is the longitudinal extension of India? Extent of India. I repeat, longitudinal extent of India. One has been given by Yashit. Anyone else sitting offline? Longitudinal extension, sitting offline, first of all. Longitudinal extension, one is 97 degree 25 minute east. What else? Yes? Arshin. Yes, Arshin.
68 degrees 7 minutes east.
Perfect. 68 degrees 7 minute east. This is the longitudinal extension of India. 68 degrees 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. This is what? This is the longitudinal extension of India. Now here question can be asked. Here also east, here also east. But I think here it should be west. But why northwest? I repeat, in both sides 68 degrees 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute east. Otherwise, it is a western part of India. Why not west here? Yes, there's number of students who are raising the hand, and I want to know the answer from all offline students also. Yes, any one of you? Yes, Vineet. No, wrong. No, no, no. Yes. No. Rikshit. No. Okay. Anyone online? Yes. Bhavna. Yes, Bhavna.
Ma'am, we are here counting the east as the east to prime meridian.
Very good. We are situated in Eastern Hemisphere, and Eastern Hemisphere means here we have actually, if we are almost here we have Pakistan, then Arabian country, Arabia, then here we have Africa, and this is Africa, and here Europe, and here we have England. And we know very well, prime meridian line passes through England. So whosoever, whatever countries are situated, this is 0 degree longitude. Whatever countries are situated east of 0 degree longitude, all those countries will fall under which category? That is Eastern Hemisphere. So that's why from 0 degree England, that line which is passing through England, all these countries are in Eastern Hemisphere. Hemi means, what is the meaning of hemisphere? What is the meaning of hemisphere? Any one of you? What is the meaning of very simple question I'm asking. What is sphere? This you might have done in maths or science. Sphere is? Huh? Circular thing? Okay. Sphere is? Yes, Khushi 9th है. Khushi 9th है.
Ma'am, hemisphere means half part of the earth.
Perfect. Perfect. Repeat the answer. Khushi, repeat the answer.
Hemisphere is the half part of the earth.
Sphere, any area. Any area. Hemi, half. Half area of the earth, definitely. Here we are talking about, say, this is earth. This is whole sphere. Half of the sphere, hemisphere. We call it as northern hemisphere. We call it as southern hemisphere on the basis of equator. This is equator, 0 degree line. Equator, on the base of equator, we say this is northern hemisphere, this is southern hemisphere. Half of the sphere, hemi means half. And same is with eastern hemisphere. This is 0 degree longitudinal line. This is eastern hemisphere and this is western hemisphere. All of you clear? Online. Online, clear, bache?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That's why we say Eastern Hemisphere 68 degrees 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east. Okay? Now next question. Just try to find out what I'm making. Which feature I'm making here? You can make any feature, any symbol here. Which feature I have made? Look at the blackboard very carefully. You can try it. If you don't know, no problem, but at least try it. Yes, Harjot Singh, raising your hand. Abgun also raised. Harjot, yes, bache.
Central Highlands.
Hanji?
Central Highlands.
Harjot, your voice is extremely slow. This is
Central Highlands.
Central Highland. No. Hanji? Yes? Deccan Plateau? No. Deccan is south. Deccan is basically Hindi word. Dakshin. Dakshin is south. This is south. This is Deccan Plateau. Okay. One of the child has given the answer, that is Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau is this. This whole is Deccan Plateau. So here we are not going to do this. Harjot Singh just tried. His answer was not accurate, but very much near to accuracy. Anyone else? His answer was not very much accurate, but near to accuracy. Anyone else can try it. He said Central Highland. Okay. This is Anshika of 9th B. Yes, Anshika. 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 You raise your hand, beta. Prabhun, yes.
Ma'am, Malwa Plateau.
Perfect. This is Malwa Plateau. Harjot, it is a part of Central Highland. And Central Highlands we can divide into two parts. One is Malwa Plateau, and here we have, if I made this say, for example, this is Prabhun.
Chota Nagpur.
Any one of you, what is this? Which feature is this? Yes,
Chota
Yashit.
Nagpur.
Chota
Yes,
Nagpur Plateau.
Chota Nagpur.
Perfect. This is Chota Nagpur Plateau. This is Chota Nagpur Plateau. So both these, Malwa Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau, known as, Hanji, any one of you offline? Malwa Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau collectively known as? No idea? Offline, online, sorry.
Central Highland.
Perfect.
Central Highlands.
Highland. Perfect. So both these fall under one category, that is Central Highland. Got it?
Ma'am, then what about
Okay,
Bundelkhand and
next.
Baghelkhand?
You can note it down. The main motive of this map work is to make you very much clear Malwa left hand side. It's not correct. Look at my position of Malwa. It's very much near to Gujarat. Central Highlands. Central Highlands are made up of these two, Malwa Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau. Is this point clear? Clear, beta? Any one of you, any problem here? Online? No problem? Okay, next I'm going to make. Just try to figure out what it is. Clear to every one of you, I guess? Offline. Anji? Huh?
Two.
I'll make next Deccan Plateau. It's not Deccan Plateau. Yes, Harjot Singh is the only child who knows the answer. Rest of you. Prabhgun has come. What else? Who else? Just try it. It's not difficult. Look at this position. Just imagine the same question is if it is in the exam. You should know about it. Very prominent area, famous for spices in the world. Huh? No. Bandipur is a sanctuary, wildlife. Yes, look at the position. Only two children. Okay, there is a Bhavna. Yes, Bhavna.
Ma'am, Anaimudi.
Anaimudi is approximately, we can't say it is wrong, but yes, from the map, it is not exactly Anaimudi. Anaimudi is here. Here we have Anaimudi, here we have Cardamom Hills. This is Ashin. Yes,
Ma'am,
Ashin.
Doda Beta.
No, Doda Beta is not here. Doda Beta is situated in the Western Ghats. Here. So it
Ma'am,
is-
Kulari Beta.
Prabhu is left. Prabhu.
Ma'am, Nilgiri Hills.
Perfect. Nilgiri Hills. Nilgiri Hills are the hills. Nilgiri. Nilgiri Hills are the hills which are found where both almost Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats meet with each other. And Nilgiri Hills, basically famous for spices, garam masale, cardamom, ilaichi, all these. Okay? Clear? I forgot his name. Keshav, clear, beta? Okay. Next, look at this. Very simple. I think every one of your hands should be up. Simplest one I'm going to ask. This is this. If you are not able to answer this question, so I'll definitely do this. Okay, only 4, 5. All of you should know about it. It's extraordinary feature we have made. Number of students, 9 right now. Very good. Yes, offline. Try it. It's not difficult. So maximum students here, online. So let's ask from the child from whom we never asked. Almost all. Babhvi of 9th B. Yes, bache. Babhvi of 9th.
Aravali Hills. Aravali Hills.
Huh?
Aravali Hills.
Perfect. Aravali Hills. So how would you write in exam if it is there? It is there. Aravali. It should be written like this. Aravali Hills. Yeah, Aravali Range. It passes through this Rajasthan. Okay, 1 point, 1 question associated with this Aravali Range. Any one of you, what is the importance of Aravali Range on Indian climate or on the climate of a particular area? No. Yeah, you have listened somewhere from the lecture, but try to get the accurate point. You're not wrong, but you're not 100. Uh-huh. 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 Okay, Keshav has given the answer कि this Aravali range doesn't allow monsoon to pass through them. Is this point accurately correct? Yes, any one of you? Whatever logic he has given, it is related to climate. Somewhere it is related to climate. Is this point correct?
Ma'am, it is not accurate.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, it is not accurate.
It is not accurate, but it is related to climate. That is correct point. So let's find out the accurate point. What is the relation between climate of this area and Aravali range? Yes, I would love to ask from Arman of 9th A. Yes, Arman.
Ma'am, it allows the southwest monsoon to don't rain in the Rajasthan.
Loud, Arman.
as
It's not audible, but a bit louder.
it's they don't allow the southwest monsoon to rain in Rajasthan as the winds and the Aravali range becomes parallel to it, and
Perfect.
that's why.
Perfect. So here the point is, now look, Keshav, you also look here, your point was correct, but let's find out the accurate point. Whenever monsoon enters in India, monsoon come from the south of India. So it get divided into 2 parts. Already we have discussed. First branch is known as southwest monsoon. Southwest monsoon get divided into 2 parts: Arabian branch and Bay of Bengal branch. This already we have discussed. So this branch I'm talking about, Arabian branch. Direction is like this. So when direction is like this, automatically look at this. Monsoon winds are coming, entering, and doesn't provide rainfall in Rajasthan. Yahan pe there is no rainfall. Here no rainfall occur. Logic is monsoon winds, direction of monsoon winds and Aravali range. Both are parallel to each other. Whenever range and direction of the wind, they are parallel to each other. It means they are not striking to each other. वो टकरा नहीं रही आपस में. क्यों नहीं टकरा रही? Because parallel है. इसलिए there is no rainfall. Rainfall is of 3 types. First one is, any one of you sitting here online or offline? Rainfall is of 3 types. First is orographic, and another name of orographic is relief. Relief means land. Second is cyclonic.
Cyclonic.
Second is cyclonic. Cyclonic rainfall. Third one is convectional rainfall. So here in Rajasthan, what do you think? What kind of rainfall is what is the reason having no rainfall in Rajasthan? Because of orographic. Orographic rainfall is not taking place in Rajasthan. क्यों नहीं है? Because Aravali range, that is relief, जो जमीन है, relief है, land है, that is parallel to the direction of southwest monsoons. Or yeah, Arabian branch of southwest monsoon. That's why no rainfall occur. Got it? All of you clear? Online. Any doubt? Online, any doubt? Yes, Bhumika, want to say something? Okay. Any doubt to any one of you? Okay. Next, look at the feature, which I'm going to make right now. What it is? Offline. What is this symbol indicate which particular feature? Look at the symbol. Mountain. Okay. So let's find out which mountain is here. Garima, yes, bache.
Ma'am, K2.
K2, very right. This is K2. Perfect. Okay, next. Which is the prominent easternmost mountain of India? Easternmost. I'll locate the feature. This is almost here. Easternmost mountain of India, peak of India. I made it with blue chalk. Any one of you? Offline?
Ma'am, Namcha Barwa.
Perfect. Namcha Barwa. So all of you should know about the answer. It's not like this ki 1 or 2 kids are speaking, yeah, 5 or 6 are speaking. Rest all of you, I am teaching to every one of you. I'm not confined to these 3 or 4 or 5, right? So that is Namcha Barwa. Question can be asked, locate easternmost peak of India. That is Namcha Barwa. Got it? Next, I'm going to make one feature. You have to explain, you have to tell which feature and the name of the feature. This is, I have to erase the previous one. Look at this. I'm going to make it with a specific color that is blue, meant for that only, that feature only. What it is? Offline. River. Okay, first thing is it is river. And river on a map is generally made with this color that is blue. And from the feature we can say it is not at all a triangle, it is not at all a straight, but it is bit wavy. Hanji, which river? Beas. One child is saying Beas. Is it correct? Online.
Satluj.
Satluj. Why
Indus.
Satluj? Why not Beas? Why
Ma'am,
Satluj?
Indus.
Why not?
Indus River.
Huh? Why Satluj? Why not Beas? No idea? Okay. I'll give you one clue. From that clue, you can easily come to know why it is like this. नहीं
I mean, Indus.
एक मिनट हाँ होल्ड नहीं मिनट नहीं यस बच्चे ओके
Indus River.
हाँ
Indus River.
Indus River. This is the tributary of river Indus. Satluj and Beas are the tributaries of river Indus. How many tributaries of river Indus we have? Total tributaries of river Indus.
Ma'am, 5.
5. Name those 5.
Ma'am, Ravi, Chenab, Jhelum, Satluj, Beas.
Okay, Keshav, name those 5. Satluj, Beas. It should be on your tips. Ravi, Chenab, Jhelum. There are 5 tributaries of river Indus: Satluj, Beas, Ravi, Chenab, and Jhelum. So, Hanji, drain in Pakistan. That's correct. So here our question is: it is not Beas River; it is Satluj River. क्यों है why it is Satluj River? Because Beas River, अगर हम suppose we are coming from south, या हम कहीं से जैसे हिमाचल से राजस्थान से we are coming, we will cross all the districts, and after that we will cross Ludhiana, and then we will reach Jalandhar. Am I correct? Do we have to cross Ludhiana or not? Yes. And from Ludhiana, which river passes? Have you ever seen the river? Satluj.
Ma'am, Satluj.
Satluj. Satluj cross करने के बाद we reach here our city, that is we call it as a Jalandhar city. Jalandhar को cross करेंगे, which district will come? Amritsar. And Amritsar में which river flows? In between. Beas river.
हम Beas.
जाते रास्ते में Beas river आ रही है. It means Beas river is here. So this river is river Satluj and this river is river Beas. Only 2 rivers prominently, perfectly flow in Punjab, that is Satluj and Beas river. Undoubtedly, these rivers, they originate from this, they're part of Indus River. Indus River, these are the two tributaries. There are actually 5 tributaries. So question can be asked, what do you mean by tributary? Any one of you? What is tributary? Small river forms one river. Still something is missing. Is Prakshit? Something is missing in this. Answer is not incorrect, but it is not perfectly correct also. What is a tributary? Any one of you sitting here online?
Small
Another
river
Mishti,
originating from the main
Mishti?
river.
No, not rest of you. Mishti, I'll come to you also.
Ma'am, a part of a river, a small part of a river.
No, that is not accurate answer. Coming to Keshav. Which are the part of? No, Keshav. Okay, Asheen.
A river or a stream flowing into a large river or a lake.
Okay, Prabhul. Prabhul.
Ma'am, a tributary is that river which joins the main river and increases its volume of water.
Okay, tributary is a small river. Now let's find out, for those who are not very much clear with the meaning of this, though they know the answer, but we can say it is a half answer or doesn't show the clarity. So tributary is a small river coming from the mountainous, look at this. Say it is a mountainous area, right? It is a mountainous area. Online, it is clear to all of you? I guess yes. Rainfall is here. Number of mountains, rainfall is taking place. Just imagine if right now rainfall take place. You feel good or bad? Good. ठंड बढ़ जाएगी, खत्म हो जाएगी, बढ़ जाएगी. Moisture would be added or moisture would be deprived of? Added. Okay. Yes. For a short time period, it would be. So whenever rainfall occurs, rainwater definitely will come down, right? Rainwater is coming down from various points. These are the very small streams, choti streams, river channels. All these river channels, जहाँ से भी पानी, river water can come down, यहाँ से भी उनको रास्ता मिल रहा है, they are coming down. All these are full of water. These छोटी rivers हैं, they are full of water and they have to come down. Whenever they will come down, ultimately somewhere they'll meet with each other. They'll meet with each other. After meeting, what will happen? All these rivers have given water in this main river. All these rivers are getting added in this river. ये सारी ultimately, this would be the main river. ये main river बन गई. This river is full of water. Why it is full of water? Because there are number of tributaries, small streams formed due to rainfall or melting of glaciers, ice, snow. So these small streams will come down, will meet with each other and will form a main river. For example, this is river Ganga. And Ganga river is formed by a number of tributaries. If you remember, we have done it. Yamuna, Gandak, Ghaggar, Kosi, Son, Chambal, Betwa. All these are the tributaries. All these tributaries will come down and will throw its water in one river. या इन सबको मिला के river बन जाती automatically. And this main river is known as a Ganga river. In the same way, here in northwest, we have, like we have discussed, Satluj, Beas, Ravi, Chenab and Jhelum. These are the 5 tributaries of river Indus. So what does it mean actually? Yeah, we have done about this Ganga river. So this is river Ganga, a prominent river. These are the tributaries. Yamuna river, Gandak river, Ghaggar river, Kosi river, Chambal river, Betwa river, Son river. All these are the tributaries which throw their water in the main river, and then ultimately which river is formed? That is known as river Ganga. Ganga river is full of water. Ganga river has enough volume of water. क्यों है? because made by number of tribute. These are the main tribute. इसके बाद भी बहुत tributaries it has. Is this point clear? Tributary is clear, all of you? Motive is to make you clear about the meaning of tributary. If it is clear, then only I'll proceed. Offline, online. Okay. Now coming to distributary. Distributary is clear from the name. Distributary. Distribute. The river, when it will start distributing its water. Now, just imagine, this is river Ganga. This is river Ganga. Look at same I have made there. Now, river Ganga is about to meet. यहीं पे बना देती हूँ. This is Bay of Bengal. Water body. River Ganga is about to meet in ocean. Yeah, in any large water body, right? Now, in this particular area, यहाँ पे, speed of the river would be extremely high, extremely slow. What do you think? High. क्यों high? Pressure would be high. Okay. Anyone else? Speed would be high or very slow? High. Rikshit is saying high. Yes. Anyone else? Speed of the river water when river is about to meet with large water body. Speed would be high or low? High.
I'm
Three
slow.
folks are saying high. Rest of you raise your hand
I'm
online. Raghav. Raghav.
Low.
Madhav. Raghav.
High.
Madhav. Any one of you speak up.
High.
Hi. Anshika. Hi.
Ma'am, slow.
Slow. Anshika
Slow.
is saying slow. Okay.
Low.
Okay. Let me ask from Anshika. Why बच्चे slow? Why slow, Anshika?
Ma'am, because when it comes from the mountains, its speed was very high, and later on when and coming on the plains, slowly and slowly the speed of river also gets slow with it.
क्यों?
When it was coming from mountains, at that point
Okay.
the speed was high.
Hold on. Yes, Keshav? Okay. Now, I would like to say here, accurate answer is speed would be extremely slow. That is a perfect answer. Accurate answer. Speed would be very slow. Why? Now, let's understand this. With a very simple example, you would say, yes, ma'am, you're right. Whenever, अगर speed high के chances कहाँ होंगे? When mountainous area is here, and here we have a water body. River is coming and immediately falling in water body. Speed would be very fast. Am I right? Am I right? Second option. Area is like this. Like here, we are talking about this particular area. Area is like this. Say, यहाँ पे है ocean. ये सारा, and उसके नीचे है जमीन. इसको और भी simplify करें. Whenever, have you ever been to any beach area? Yeah, okay. Some of you, not all of you. कभी आप river में गए हल्का फुल्का सा चेन पकड़ के, सरोवर में स्नान किया होगा डेफिनेटली काफी बच्चों ने, उसमें चेन पकड़ के जाते हैं. जैसे भी स्टेप डाउन, हम सरोवर की तरफ जाते हैं, स्टेप डाउन किया, सरोवर शुरू हो गया. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि पूरी हमारी हेड तक पानी आ जाता और डूब जाते हैं, नहीं ना. कैसे होता है? इट इज स्टेप बाय स्टेप. आप संगल पकड़ते हो, चेन पकड़ते हो, थोड़ा नीचे गए, चेन को और थोड़ा नीचे, और थोड़ा नीचे, और थोड़ा नीचे, अल्टीमेटली एक स्टेज आती है, यहाँ तक आपका पानी पहुंच जाता है. Am I right? और आगे जाएंगे, चेन को छोड़ दिया, हम पूरे डूब जाएंगे. Am I correct? ऐसा क्यों है? Same is with the sea, same is with the river, same is with the सरोवर. Undoubtedly सरोवर is man-made, but sea, river में ऐसा ही है. ऐसा क्यों है? Because land is not like this. ऐसी land नहीं होती कि mountain और plain. ऐसा कभी नहीं होता. Nature is not like this. कभी ऐसा नहीं होगा. आप जैसे ही से यू आर कमिंग फ्रॉम डलहौजी, यू आर कमिंग फ्रॉम कश्मीर एंड ऑल ऑफ अ सडन आपका माउंटेन खत्म में सीधी प्लेन आ गई. ऐसा तो नहीं होता ना. कैसा होता है? वी आर कमिंग फ्रॉम अ माउंटेनियस एरिया एंड स्लोली स्लोप विल डिक्रीज. एम आई करेक्ट? फिर आएगा ऐसे. इज दिस पॉइंट क्लियर? सेम इज विद द पॉइंट व्हिच वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. रिवर इज कमिंग speed would be extreme, here fast, speed would bit decrease and here speed would be extremely negligible, क्योंकि प्लेन हो गया. जब जमीन प्लेन हो जाती है तो स्पीड फास्ट नहीं हो सकती. आप यहां से पानी फेंक रहे हो, सपोज हियर फ्रॉम द डायस यू आर थ्रोइंग वाटर डीप, immediately water will come down and you are throwing water directly on the floor, it will take time to spread. Is this point clear? Online, is this point clear? So river when is coming from a mount, say Ganga river is coming from this area, passing through various states and ultimately reaching here. Here land is extremely leveled, land plain हो आ गई. प्लेन का मतलब ये नहीं है जस्ट लाइक अ स्केल, प्लेन मतलब हल्की फुल्की जैसे हमारी है. स्पीड ऑफ द रिवर ऑटोमेटिकली वुड डिक्रीज, बहुत स्लो हो जाएगी. स्लो इस वजह से भी हो जाएगी बिकॉज वी हैव लेस देन 1 मिनट. स्लो इस वजह से भी हो जाएगी बिकॉज लैंड इज एक्सट्रीमली लेवल्ड. स्लो इस वजह से भी हो जाएगी बिकॉज इट इज फुल ऑफ वाटर. नॉट इट्स वेरी हैवी रिवर, भरी हुई है. जब आप सामान काफी उठा के आते हो आपकी स्पीड फास्ट होती है कि स्लो होती है? स्लो. जब आप खाली हाथ होते फटाफट भागते हो, भरा हुआ है आपके हाथ में बहुत सामान है, आपकी स्पीड स्लो हो जाएगी. दैट्स व्हाई. Got it? Got it? Got it? So that's why here speed of the river will be extremely slow and ultimately it will divide its water. It will throw its water. पानी चारों तरफ फैल जाएगा.